Hello, dear learners. How are you doing? I'm Dr. Nasri and welcome to my channel Learning Farsi, Persian, language with Dr. Nasri. If you want to learn Persian language conversation effectively and enjoyably, this video is perfect for you. Please support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Please review the previous lessons, especially lessons 42 to 44 for better comprehension. Let's get started with lesson 45. Thank you.
Greetings and meeting people. سلام و دیدار با مردم. Part 4. سلام و دیدار با مردم. Please pay attention to this part. سلام و احوال پرسی. Part 4. فارسی. آیا تا به حال اصفهان بوده اید؟ Transliteration. آیا تا به حال اصفهان بوده اید؟ Meaning. Have you ever been to اصفهان؟ آیا تا به حال اصفهان بوده اید؟ Please pay attention to this section. نه، اولین بارم هست. Or نه، اولین بارمه. Transliteration. نه، اولین بارم هست. Or نه، اولین بارمه. Meaning, no, it's my first time. During a conversation in Farsi, the second person answers like this. نه، اولین بارم هست. Please pay attention to this part. آیا تا به حال اصفهان بوده اید؟ نه، اولین بارم هست. Please pay attention to the first, second, and third parts of the conversation taught in lesson 42, 43, 44, and also the fourth part. Greetings people. سلام و احوال پرسی. Part 1, 2, 3, 4. سلام، صبح بخیر. سلام خانم، بفرمایید. آیا شما یک راهنمای تور میشناسید؟ بله، دوستم ابراهیم. او راهنمای خوبی هست. خوشبختانه او به زودی به اینجا می آید. عالیه. او ابراهیم، آیا تا به حال اصفهان بوده اید؟ نه، اولین بارم هست. Lily, a tourist visiting Isfahan, enters a cafe and asks the restaurant owner Arash to introduce her to a tour guide. Arash introduces his friend Ibrahim, who is a tour guide, to her. Please pay attention to this conversation. Let's go to the next slide.
Greeting and meeting people.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, Mom. How could I help you?
Do you know a tour guide around here?
Yes, I do. My friend Ibrahim. He's a good guide. Fortunately, he is coming here soon.
It's great.
Oh, Ibrahim.
Have you ever been to Isfahan?
No, it's my first.
سلام و احوال پرسی. سلام، صبح بخیر.
سلام خانم، بفرمایید.
آیا شما یک راهنمای تور این اطراف میشناسید؟
بله، دوستم ابراهیم. او راهنمای خوبی هست. خوشبختانه او به زودی به اینجا می آید.
عالیه.
او ابراهیم، آیا تا به حال اصفهان بوده ای؟
نه، اولین بارم هست.
Got you underneath my skin. Sundays and holidays is where we all begin. Beauty really is so deep. The way you talk to me, the words I wanna keep. Your intellect puts mine to shame, and I still call out your name. It's when you haven't been around. The flavor of the mouth just doesn't make a sound. I shake without you there.